A warm and graceful morning to our most valuable honorable chief guest, Mr. Abbas Haider, worthy teachers, respectable principal, and my school fellows. As you know, we all have gathered here today to proudly celebrate the Day of Military Valor. Today is the day when our soldiers surprise the enemy with their ability to defend the country. Ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you about the biggest tank battle after World War II. Pakistani troops successfully defend their homeland by destroying the enemy's tank. So we cannot forget the dignity of this day. So we have held a program in our school for dedicating the martyrs of war 1965. Dear audience, as you know, as Muslims, we always start our program with recitation of holy verses of Holy Quran. So for the recitation, I would call Miss Iram Ehsan from class 10th. नामे मुहम्मद विर्द किया कर मुश्को गुलाबो कैसरो अंबर महकेंगे फिर सांस के अंदर तेरे शाम सवेरे. For Nate Rasule Makbool Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, I invite Mr. Ahmad Raza from class 7th. Jazakallah. Okay, now move on. बात ये हवाओं को बताए रखना, जहाँ रोशन होगा दिया जलाए रखना, की है हिफाजत लहू देकर जिसकी हमने, इस वतने अजीज को रहती दुनिया तक कायम मुदायम रखना. So now let's start our program with a beautiful national song, Tum Hi Se E Mujahido. For this national song, I call Miss Seema Hassan from class 6 to come on stage and make us happy with your enchanting voice. So raise your hands for welcome to Miss Seema. Marvelous performance. Now I invite the tiny students of class nursery to present a tableau on Maine Dekha Pakistan. So please raise your hands up. Good performance. Coming to you now, the students of class 6 to present their marvelous performance on Dil Dil Pakistan. Great! No one can stop you from doing your best. Dear fellows, this day teaches us to realize that we have some responsibilities for our country. So for the progress of our dear homeland, we should work hard with faithfully. Now here comes Muhammad Ali for a powerful speech on Pakistan Defense Day. Marvelous performance. For presenting a beautiful national song, I would like to call Miss Almas Bashir from class 9 to come on stage and enhance our heart and mind. Very well. Dear audience, the biggest way of celebrating this day is to make the promise to ourselves that we will protect our country at any cost. In last, I would like to call our beloved, respectable chief guest to come on stage and share his feelings about this day. Thank you, sir. Before ending the program, all the participants have to stand up from their places to sing Pakistan National Anthem. Thanks to all audience for coming here to attend this party. Wassalam.